Hi YouTube, thank you for tuning in to my channel. This is Forever Me Tori. I know it's been a while since I've been here, uh, but I am making this impromptu video, um, and it's going to be about my journey for the my surgery. I had a diastasis recti surgery done today, which is they call it abdominoplasty, and I've I have or I had, I can say now, diastasis recti for 18 years, and today is May 13th, and it is now, uh, ouch, about 8:46 as I'm making this video. Um, I had my surgery around 8:30 this morning with minor complications with IV insertion, and so probably got started around 8:50 or 9 o'clock. We started the surgery, and got done. Actually, to be honest, I cannot remember when surgery was over. They did tell me multiple times, but being under anesthetic, I don't remember the details of when I got out. I do know that they said it took a while for me to wake up and to get coherent enough to leave the hospital. So I I got home, I believe, uh, after 4:30. Yeah. So after 4:30 is when I got home, and right now I am in bed trying to get some sleep. So, but I wanted to put out this video, uh, a quick video, just letting you know that I am going to be um, vlogging my journey for this surgery. Right now I'm in a lot of pain and I need to get some sleep. I took my medicine a couple hours ago. It's not time for another one until 10 o'clock tonight. So I'm going to go now, and I'll touch base with you again later once I wake up. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully follow me through this journey as well. I want to touch base on a lot of stuff related to the surgery and the recovery process that um, may or may not be out there already in the YouTube world. So if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll be sure to answer them for you when I can. Thank you. Thank you. Please subscribe and comment and like this video. See you later.